Hi, welcome back. Lesson how to find or perfectly manage the Chrome downloads on your iPhone and iPad. Managing downloads on your iPhone or iPad can feel a bit confusing, especially when using apps like Google Chrome instead of Safari. Unlike desktop browsers, Chrome on iOS doesn't always make downloaded files immediately obvious, which can leave users wondering where their files went. So whether you have downloaded documents, images, or media files, knowing how to locate and organize them is essential for a smooth experience. That said, let me show you how it's done the right way. So first here we have to open Chrome on your device, and then you have to head over to the file you want to download. Then you have to hit the download button. Then you have to hit the save button. After that you have to choose the Files app in the menu and hit the save button. Then you have to launch the Files app and hit the Browse tab located at the bottom. After that you have to choose On my iPhone or iPad option. Then you have to choose the Chrome folder. Here you will find all the files that you have downloaded. Now you can manage it using a variety of native options. For instance, you can organize the files in the icons or the list layout, and even show the file name extensions depending on your needs. And there you have it. Finding and managing Chrome downloads on iOS and iPadOS becomes much easier once you understand where your files are stored and how they interact with the Files app. By keeping your downloads perfectly organized and knowing how to access them quickly, you can save time and avoid unnecessary frustration. Now that you have unlocked this pretty helpful feature, make the most of it in order to keep all your Chrome downloads perfectly organized and keep the clutter at a fair distance. And I'll catch you up in the next one.